In this video, we explore the top 7 common mistakes organizations make during business transformations and how to overcome them. Business transformation is essential for growth and sustainability in today's fast-paced business landscape. To help organizations navigate this journey, we introduce HOBA Agile Business Transformation Framework, HOBA, House of Business Architecture, which has successfully supported leading organizations in the oil and gas sector, including the UK Government, FTSE-100, and fast-growing enterprises. One common mistake is a lack of clear objectives. The solution is to set SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound objectives aligned with long-term goals using HOBA's framework. Ineffective change management can hinder transformation efforts. The solution includes robust change management strategies and tools provided by HOBA's framework. Ignoring data-driven decision-making can lead to missed opportunities. Invest in data analytics tools and leverage HOBA's framework for real-time feedback. Cultural issues can cause resistance and project failure. Assess and align your organization's culture with HOBA's cultural assessment tools. Lack of resources and budget constraints can stall transformation. Allocate resources strategically based on your transformation roadmap using HOBA's resource optimization. Leadership alignment is crucial. Ensure leaders are aligned with transformation goals and use HOBA's tools for leadership alignment and accountability. Continuous improvement is key. Foster a culture of continuous improvement with HOBA's methodologies for monitoring and adaptation. In conclusion, successful business transformation is achievable by addressing these common mistakes with the right strategies and tools. HOBA's HOBA framework is a proven solution used by leading organizations to set up, turn around, and run their transformations effectively. Embrace these solutions to achieve lasting success in your transformation efforts. If you need help with your digital transformation, consider HOBA's Implementing HOBA 1.0 transformation program. It helps organizations work smarter, not harder, leading to less stress, reduced costs, and higher profits. Sign up to lead your transformation with confidence. Don't forget to claim your free gift, the 6 Steps to Business Transformation Success ebook. This resource covers the Agile Business Transformation Framework trusted by the UK Government, FTSE-100, and fast-growing companies. Join the top 30% of organizations that make business transformation a success. Visit www.hoba.tech/6steps to get your free gift.